So, welcome, and today I will show you how you're going to replace your HS50 Earcups. So we'll start first with the headset. So previously I actually removed one of the Earcups here. If you would notice, right there. All right, I've already removed one of the Earcups because I tested out one of the Earcups that I bought. It's a cheap one that I bought, but does the job though. All right, so but again, if I mean you could always call up Corsair to get a replacement for your Earcups, but what I wanted is to do some bit of an upgrade to it because the stock Earcups of HS50 is kind of bit thin. If you would notice, that's the stock or the original Earcups that the HS50 have. So it's a bit thinner than usual, and my ears would touch the inside of the headset, like right this part. It touches this part, so it irritates, and sometimes it would go numb. So I don't like it. All right, so I decided I would go online and then look for some ear cups that I would consider buying and would eventually fit to this headset. You could actually buy ear cups that is made for HS50. In the Philippines, it would go for like around 500 Philippine money, 500 to like 600 Philippine money. I believe that would be on sale. All right. Well, I looked this up with Shopee and Lazada, and I ended up going with the 160 plus or 160 peso ear cups. So we'll check it out and see if that would fit. Oh, actually, it already fits. I've already tested one of those. So we'll see how it works with this headset. I haven't fitted it yet. I just tried how we're going to work with it, and yeah, so let's get started. All right. So first of all, I'll show you first how you're going to remove the ear cups from your headset without damaging it, of course. So if you would notice this part here, this cloth, it's already a cloth, but before it was like a finish leather finish. So if you would notice, there is like a gap between the headset and as well as the ear cup. So what we're going to do is that you're going to place at least your nail right in the middle, right there, and then try to grab. Just put a little bit of a force in there. Bam, that's it. It doesn't crack, okay? It just removed the plastic that holds this ear cup to your headset, and that's what we basically need. With ear cups that was made with HS50, it comes with those, or it comes with the plastic that you just need to plug it or remove it, and then just replace it. That's it, done deal. But mine, it doesn't come with it, so I have to remove the plastic that holds this and put it onto the ear cup and put it back in, or like get it replaced. So I'll show you that one. So that's it. That's how you're going to remove it. Just put a little bit of a force to it, not too much. You don't want to ruin your HS50 there, and bam, that's it. That's your ear cup. All right, nasty. I actually put some glues on it, just to make it hold for a little while before I decided to get it replaced. But then now it's really ruined, so I have to replace it. It irritates my ears, so gotta replace that one. But that's it. Now you got your bare HS50 headset without the ear cups. So what we're going to do, I'll show you what I bought. So this is what I bought. All right. It's as thick as hell. All right. I like it. Let me show you. It comes in a Ziploc, actually. That's true. It doesn't have like really fancy packaging on it. It's just a simple Ziploc, and that's it. Bam. You got your headset, earpads. All right. So before I record this video, I've already done the other part or the other side of the headset or the ear cups. If you would notice how thick that is, that's how thick that is. All right. But problem there is that it is not as thick as the other side. See? It's different. This side right here is the same as how your headset was, or it's about as thick as the previous earpads. All right, but this one is much thicker because I think just because it's new. All right, I don't know if that would make a difference, but we'll see later on. All right, see how thick that is. Still on the other side, that's how thick that is. All right, we'll see later on how it works out, how it will be, how it deals with sound, and which side is better. All right. So, what we wanted, or what it comes with this. This is the original. This is what I bought. All right. It's just an earpads. That's it. It doesn't come with the plastic that holds your earpads and goes to your ear headset. All right. So what we need in order for this earpads to work with your HS50 is the plastic. This one. All right. This. All right. This part right there. You're just going to remove it. Actually, just peel it off like so. Besides, you won't be needing this anyway. This is what we need. All right. Let me just remove some of the glue, or rather, yeah, the glue that I put on there. Clean it up a bit. All right. There you go. I had this HS50 for like, what, 2 years now? Straight? Ain't got no problem. I don't know with the others though, but as for me, I never had any problems with it. Sounds is good, same as always, even as before, even back then when I got it, never changed. Even the mic itself, it's very durable. To be honest with you, it really is. Also with this keyboard, this is a K70. This was just given to me, but then the only downside that I got from this is that some of the keys were no longer lighting as how it should. It's lighting up on the different lights. As you would notice, this one right here, the Alt key, is different from the other. I never changed that. All right, it's supposed to be the same with the others because I'm lazy. Anyway, we'll put that aside, and then I'll make a different video for that on how durable that will be, or how you're going to take care of it, troubleshooting and stuff like that. All right. So here. So I'm done with this. All right. This is what you need. This is basically what you need for your Earcups to work with your HS50. All right. And how you're going to place that in, you just pop it inside. Don't be scared to like stretch it a bit. All right. Don't be scared. It's a part of it. It's part of growing up. Alright. Just kidding. Alright, so going to pop that in. Alright, like so. It would be better if you do have like a tool to help you put this inside. Maybe some like maybe a coin perhaps. That will work, I guess. Well, for me, I just put this like so, like no fingers. There you go. Almost there, baby. Almost there. There you go. Pops right inside. Alright. That's cool. So after you put it in, after you put it inside the ear cup, alright, like so. Of course, try to align it how you like it, or I would say how it should, you know, like so. Alright, there it goes. Alright, looks like a magic. Alright, like that. So we'll pop it in with your headset right here. We'll see how it works. And how are you going to do this? The same as, it's not the same as how you know, remove it. But of course, you're going to align. If you will notice here, this part right here, there are like some lines like this, like that. And you're going to align that with the ones on the ear set or on the ear headset. This. There's like a clamp, plastic clamp, and that's where we're going to align it. It's like, I don't know if you would see this, but yeah, there's like a clamp there. You will notice, or you'll see it there, and then that's where we're going to align the headsets like that. Like so. Alright, so like that. Then 2 thumbs. I'm going to put that in, is that you're going to use your 2 thumbs to put inside the ear cups, so that you should be able to feel where the plastic is, and that's where you're going to pop in and clamp with your headset. Alright, let's do that. Let's do it. Let's make sure first it's aligned. You might want to put some force to it, you know, just a bit of a force to it till it sits. There you go. All right. It's a bit tricky actually to pop that in, but oh, there we go. So there you go. just a bit of a force in there before I was able to plug it in. And I need to adjust this textile right here. This textile, that one, I need to adjust that because that part is blocking the clips, so that your, or this part, this is the plastic part. This is where I put in the plastic. So I was having a hard time trying to put that in because the textile, or this textile, is blocking the clips that goes to those clamps. All right. So once you were able to put that in, this is how it would look like. Dang. Those are thick, man. All right. See how thick that is? All right. And it looks brand new now. It looks new, right? It's well, it's really soft, that's for sure. And the inside, definitely. See here, let me show you this. That's the inside, and definitely that's deeper than the regular ones. See how deep that is, right? And that's how thick it is now, as it were. Before, this is the only foam that I got. See how how thin that is? All right, but now it really is thick. It really looks like a studio kind of a headset. I wish that Corsair would do this instead for their headsets. All right, so that's it. That's how you're going to remove it and put it in. But like I said, other headsets or other ear cups that you might bought would be different from how this is, because the difference is that this one doesn't come with the plastic that goes in, but because this is like the cheaper ones. All right, these are the cheap ones. You could also buy ear cups that would be a same thickness as this, but it comes with a plastic, and it would be much easier to put it on because it is made for it. All right, it is made for the HS50. Unlike this, I don't believe that this one is made for HS50. No, no, it won't. It doesn't. It's some of the comments on that page, or on that seller's page, says that it fits with the HS50, but yeah, it does. All right, shows in a way. But then putting it on or trying to place it on is really a stuff. All right, you need to do some tricks and tricks. All right, to do it, but then it does the job. I was able to replace the ear cups, and now it looks brand new. All right, so that's it. Thank you, and hope you like this video. Hope this helps sometime, or this helps you how to remove it, replace it. Next thing, I guess, will be replacing this part. Maybe soon enough after it wears out, because it starts to. Right there, it's starting to wear off. All right, but we'll see about that. So thanks again. This is Ben, and your Uncle Ben, and I'll see you guys on the next one.